Okay, welcome back. Before we get started into putting our furniture in the room, I want to show you about the doors. If you click on the door, you will see that you can change the height of the door and the width of the door and how much it's raised from the floor. But also right here you can switch if the way that it's turned and also if it goes into the room or out of the room. And in this case, the door is going to swing into the room. So now we can add furniture. You're going to go see the hammer up here and the paintbrush. You're going to go to the paintbrush and you see all furniture. You want to go ahead and click on all furniture. Now this is a bedroom, so we're going to go to bedroom. We're going to find some of the things that you would find in a bedroom in this section. So as you hover over them, they have the names of the beds. This says it's a double bed. It has some different sizes. The other thing you can also do is you can go back and you can search. Like for example, I know in this room I want to have a full-size bed, full bed. And then it will have a whole bunch of different full bed options. So I'm just going to take this one and I'm going to pull it into my drawing, and then it gives you on the bed, you can flip it with these arrows, and I'm going to try placing the bed just right here. Okay. Also in this room we're going to have some nightstands, so I'm going to go ahead and just use the search bar for nightstands. Nightstand. Okay, here's some options. If you want to see the front of them, you can hit 3D, and that way you know what they look like from the front. And I'm going to pick this one right here. Let's see, yeah. So I'm going to take this and drag it over to the side of the bed, and again, if you have the same identical piece of furniture or feature in the room, you can just click on this icon to copy it, and then I can pull it over to this side. Okay, so now we have a bed with two nightstands, and so far this is a really fun part of Floor Planner, is that you can look at it at any time. You can look at it in 3D and see what it's looking like. So I'm going to go up to Enable 3D and click on that. And then you click on the wall and you can just swing it around. You can see how your bedroom's looking so far. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a dresser in the room. And when you do 3D and you clicked to get back to 2D, you go up here and you click on that again. And I'm going to look up dresser, and when you do 3D, it really gives you an idea of the flow of the room. Also, when you pick a dresser, let's say I pick this dresser, once you drag it over, oops, that's not the dresser I want. So this is a trash can, you can get rid of it. Look on 3D and see. Here we go. We'll bring this one over. Okay, so I'm going to pull it over to where I'm going to have it. But if you click on it, you can change the width of any piece of furniture. You can change the length, width, height to be exactly what you have in your room. So let's say that the width of my dresser was much smaller. Let's say it was 4 feet. Okay, and then that the height was maybe a little bit higher. So that's where your measurements of your furniture come in. And when you're choosing a piece of furniture to pull into the room, you want to pick something that is close, looks or resembles in shape, or definitely in size is the most important thing to what you have in your room. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what that looks like in 3D. So I see this and I don't really like how it looks. So I'll show you how I can try different layout here. So those are all the pieces in the room that I need to fit in. I'm going to try moving these nightstands over and the bed over. And I'm going to try swinging this piece of furniture over to this wall. The arrows, you can swing it this way. And pulling it maybe to here and seeing if I like it better over here. I do like it better over here. I do think that I would want something like a chair in the corner, or maybe some kind of art. So I'm going to find a chair. And perhaps make this a girly room and bring in this chair. Which, again, if you were looking for this to resemble one of the chairs you have, you can change its sizes here. And let's see. Okay, so we'll have a chair here and see if I like that. And then I come back and say, well, that's okay. Maybe if I put the chair over a little bit, had a floor lamp right here, and a poster next to it, I think maybe I like it better. So you can see how having the 3D feature can really help you understand the flow and how the furniture will look in your room without ever having to use the furniture. And I'm going to go ahead and close this tutorial. I may do another one in the future where I can show you how you can change the color of the walls, and you can also put in flooring to look like yours and do accessories. But as far as the furniture layout, this is how you do it, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.